see this? This has got me to be a better cleaner. I know that sounds crazy because it's a speaker. It's a Bluetooth speaker that splits in two pieces. So I can put one on one side and one on the other side. When I clean with music on, I clean so much more efficiently and the time goes by so much faster. These make it super easy. They have a great sound and it comes in stereo surround sound because you can, and it's got a magnet so you can stick it on things. So if you're looking for a great speaker to go, I use these in the summertime at the pool when I taught water fitness, and I keep on using them all year round. My son tried to steal them and put them in his car, but I wrangled them back. But I'll leave you a link in case you want to get some for yourself. They're fantastic.